Good morning, student. Today we are going to start one new topic, that is manager commission. When we are going to calculate the manager commission, two way to calculating the manager commission. First, on profit before charging such commission, and second, on profit after charging such commission. First, we are going for the before such commission. If any amount is given and you are going to calculate commission for 10% or any other percent, as like here 22,000 is amount and 10% of commission, then directly we are going to calculate 22,000 into 10 upon 100, 2,200. Now we are going for the second case, on profit after charging such commission. If this case is there, then 10% same 22,000, but the system of charging 10% after charging such commission, the formula is amount into rate upon 100 plus rate. Amount into rate upon 100 plus rate. It means 22,000 plus 10 upon 100 plus 10 means 110 is equal to 2,000. On this way we are going to calculate manager commission if on profit after charging such commission case is given, then we are going with this system. Now I am going to take the one question. A and B is partner, sharing profit and ratio to 3:2 with capital of 5 lakh and 3 lakh. Interest on capital 6%, rate is there. Then salary 60,000 during the year, and profit total amount is after charging such commission. Profit calculating interest on capital but after charging salary. Okay, during the year 1920 the profit after period of the after charge, calculate the interest on capital but after charging B salary, amount 1,80,000. Then a provision of 5% on profit to be made on respect of commission for the manager. 5% we are going to charge the commission for manager. Okay, it's not the case of after. Then start with the PL account. First we are for the showing of manager commission, because it's a relate with the business or firm. For that we are going to make the PL account, and all the expense or income which is related with the partner, for that we are going to make the PL appropriation account. Then PL we are showing this amount 1,80,000 plus 60,000, because this profit is after charging salary. After charging salary, then we are adding that salary, then calculate that profit 2,40,000, and then manager commission 5%, 2,40,000 5%, 12,000 difference amount net profit transfer to PL appropriation account 2,28,000. This manager commission we are going to show in PL appropriation account. After the showing of manager commission, that profit will come, that profit will transfer in PL appropriation account. Just see here 2,28,000. then salary in question is given, then interest on capital rate is 6%, 5 lakh 6%, 3 lakh 6%. 5 lakh 6%, 30,000, 3 lakh 6%, 18,000. Total amount 48,000. Then take the difference between both sides. Credit side 2,28,000, write down on debit side 2,28,000. Then take the difference, and difference amount is 1,20,000, that will transfer in profit in capital account. With just transfer in his profit sharing ratio 3:2, then 72,000, then 48,000. Now we are going to make the partners capital account. Just see, it's a partners capital account. First by balance, it's a capital balance, it's a capital 5 lakh and 3 lakh. Then salary for B only 60,000, then interest and capital 30,000 and 18,000. Then profit that is coming from the PL appropriation account 72,000 and 48,000. Okay, then balancing amount 6 lakh 2,000 and 4 lakh 26,000. Okay, this is balancing amount. This all amount salary, interest on capital and profit is coming from that PL appropriation account. Okay, on this way we are showing manager commission, and then after the showing of manager commission we are just going to solve this question. Make first PL account for the manager commission, then PL appropriation account, then capital. Okay, clear? After this we are going to see one more question. Just see, this is the question. A and B as partner in a firm. A entitled to salary 15,000 per month, then commission 10% on net profit before charging any commission. Before charging any commission. And B entitled to commission 10% net profit after charging his commission. After charging his commission means balancing amount, then we are charging commission. Net profit of the year 44,000. Just put here profit and PL and appropriation account 48,000, 4,40,000, 4,40,000. Then salary of A 1,80,000, also given in the question, per month 15,000 per month into 12, 1,80,000. Then we are going to calculate the commission of A before charging any commission. So then directly 4,40,000, 10%, 44,000. But on the case of B, because it's after charging commission, then we are taking 4,40,000, 10 upon 110. 4,40,000, then 10 upon 110. On this way we are going to charge the commission, because it's directly saying after charging his commission. After charging his commission, 10 upon 110, 40,000, then take the difference. Difference amount is 1,76,000, that is divided in the partner profit sharing ratio to profit transfer to capital account. A capital, B capital, both are the equal. Y equal, because no profit sharing ratio is given here, so we are going to just share his profit and loss equal 88,000 and 88,000. On the basis of this, you will try some question for DK Goal or NCERT. If any problem is there, then tell me or message me by the school or by the WhatsApp if you are included in WhatsApp group. Okay, by the school. Try to contact me by the school. Okay, thank you.